Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of immersive audio with the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision Magisk module. This bad boy unlocks Dolby Atmos on pretty much any rooted Android phone, taking your listening experience to the next level. But before we jump in, let's make sure your phone meets the requirements. Don't worry, it's not a super technical list. Here's what you'll need. You'll need either ARM EBV7A or ARM6 for V8A architecture. You just need your phone to have a 32-bit audio service. This is common on most devices. Even 64-bit phones often have 32-bit audio support built in. You'll need to be running Android 4.2 or later. Now, let's talk about the apps you'll need. Magisk or kernel SU installed, Dolby Atmos Magic Revision module. AML Magisk module. If you're rocking kernel SU instead of Magisk, there's one extra step involved. You'll need to disable the unmount modules by default option in the kernel SU app settings. This ensures the Dolby Atmos module stays active after a reboot. Don't forget to reboot after you disable that setting. Head to the link in the video description and download the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision Magisk module. Launch the Magisk Manager app on your phone. Tap on the Modules section, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Choose Install from Storage. Navigate to where you downloaded the module and Magisk Manager will prompt you to reboot your device. Go ahead and tap Reboot. Once your phone restarts, the Dolby Atmos Magic Revision module should be up and running. Now, you can enjoy enhanced audio with a wider sound stage and clearer separation of instruments and vocals. That's all you need to unlock the power of Dolby Atmos on your rooted Android phone. Remember, this module works on a wide range of devices, but there's always a chance it might not work perfectly on yours. If you encounter any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Android customization tips.